Hello. So we are back here. What do we have today? We have a Dell laptop, Dell XPS. The old one, well, still. Yeah. What this is doing, power on, off. So it's on few seconds. Like 2 seconds goes off. Again, on, off. Yeah. So what do you think is the problem? First, what I will do first is check the USBs. Yeah. This is fine. These are fine. So it's not a USB problem. Let's try without the battery. Yeah. Now it's no battery. On, off. Hopefully you can see that. I try to show you. On, off. On, off. Yeah. So what do you think is the problem? This is nice because we have access from the back. What do you think is the problem? What I will try first, yeah? This is the old one. The old laptops, they are very, very well made. What happened with the... When I unplug the charger, the GoPro go frozen. Okay, this is a well-made laptop, so I don't think the BIOS is... The Star Super IO chip is frozen. And the BIOS is corrupt or things like that, no. Can be a RAM issue, yeah, can be a RAM issue, yeah. Can be. So what happened exactly? You press the power, the Super IO it's running the program to check the internal components like RAM memory, like processor, graphics, and the test failed. The test failed, and he shut down the computer. That's what I think it happened on this one. Yeah. Somehow the test, the startup test failed. Yeah. Yeah, the XPS series from the Dell is made for like gaming and things like that. We have a graphic chip. We have the chipset processor graphics. It's nice. Okay, let's play with the memory. Can be the memory, yeah, can be. Let's try one more time. On, off. On, off. Yeah? So it's not the RAM memory. If it's not the RAM memory, most likely to fail on a laptop like this, yeah? On a laptop like this is the graphics. So if we have a graphic chip, I will go straight there, yeah? That's most likely to fail. Okay, we have one heatsink. Because it's most, the graphic chip, it's most under the pressure. So it's not the CPU is in a socket. But the graphics is soldered on the motherboard, yeah? So logical speaking, obviously most likely to fail is a component which is under pressure. On our case, graphics. Yeah? Okay? Good. Let me unplug the charger. Okay, let's see if we can do some magic. Yeah? Let's see if we can do some magic. $500. Yeah? So don't get these things wrong. This is not about what I'm doing right now. It's about diagnosing the thing, yeah? Because that's the first thing, to put the right diagnostic on your motherboard, yeah? So I don't think like any cap or transistor or MOSFET will fail on this board when I have a graphic chip. Fail like what fault we have is coming on. That means 19 volts is fine, 3.3 is fine, and goes off after 2 seconds. But that 2 seconds, yeah, you know, when it's going off straight away, you will think, you know, it's a power supply. It's when it's coming on, it goes off. You remember? It's a power supply who fails to comes up and the Super I/O shut down everything. No, it's staying like 2 seconds on. That 2 seconds is very important, because what do I think is doing? The Super I/O chip is running the test. Yeah. So you have to think on all this. And actually, you think is you have like a bad joint, solder joint, but it's not. It's the chip itself. No, on this laptop is nice. You don't have to take out the motherboard, and it's quick, fast job. The fast one. Yeah, we need thermal paste. Look at the thermal paste. Obviously it will fail. You know, because it's an old laptop. So the thermal paste actually is not working anymore. Look at the thermal paste. Yeah. Look, you can see this is not a, this is like some cement, some, I don't know, rock. It's not. Look, you can see this will not send the heat. So instead of sending the heat, it's acting like an isolator. Yeah, that's happen when the thermal paste get dry. Okay. Okay, I'll not put the heatsink. I'll take my you know, the thermal pad, and I'll put the thermal pad on the processor, because if the processor gets hot quickly, the Super I/O chip will shut down the board. And this is still hot. Okay, now it's fine. So we can try to start the laptop. On, and we have picture. You can see that? There is no heatsink. Wow, the graphics is hot. Yeah? So now you'll think, and you'll say, Soren, you are dodgy. He's not supposed to do this job like that. Trust me, it is supposed to do it like that. On this laptop, let's say you want to fix, it will be a proper fix anyway. You know what? Now the graphic chip is fine. I'll replace the thermal paste with a fresh one. I'll clean the fan. So the system itself, the temperature will be lower. So this what happened now with the graphic chip will not happen very soon. On the other hand, if it will be to do like a reballing job, no, it's not worth. You have to replace the chip, not do a reballing. Yeah, you understand? That's the reason why I come with hot air with 500 degrees on the top, on the edges of the chip. So actually the issue is inside of the chip, it's not on the solders. Yeah. Okay. How long was? 5 minutes. I'll put the thermal paste another 5 minutes. 10 minutes of work. That's mean you keep the cost down. This is an old laptop. This is a dual core processor. You can't charge a lot the customer. The customer will say no. So that's the best things to do. Yeah. And don't worry, we have to give 3 months warranty, and we give 3 months warranty. This laptop will work 3 months. Look at the thermal paste. Look. Like rock. On all my things, if I have like laptops, I still have one laptop, Alienware. I replace the thermal paste like one like every 6 months. Every 6 months, 1 year, something like that. You have to replace the thermal paste. You have to clean the fans. Just to keep everything cool inside, yeah? So don't pay attention on what I'm doing. Pay attention on the way how I diagnose the thing, yeah? Okay? Clean. Very clean. Squeaky clean, yeah? What I will do more with this pad, yeah? I'll take out this pad and I'll put it on the other side. So I'll put it like that, yeah? Good. Thermal paste. Fresh thermal paste. Yeah? But you understand. But don't get these things like always will happen like that. No. Can happen like to be on all the time and you have no picture. Yeah, that's probably still graphic issue. Yeah. But you know what? The fan is someone probably cleaned the laptop, but too late. Yeah, everything is clean here. Too late. Okay. And this system will be fine if the temperature will be low, yeah? If will be not no overheating and the thermal paste will be not dried. Okay? But when the overheating will come back, yeah, that chip will go dead again. Even on that point you can do it again, yeah? Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. Memory address failure. 1 second. Okay. No physical memory available at the location required for the Windows boot manager. The system cannot continue. This is a Windows thing, yeah? Yeah, probably it's a Windows thing. So he has an issue even with the Windows. Try to reset the memory. Okay, so we have a memory issue. Let's try. Let's swap the memory. No, the RAM memory has nothing to do with the graphics. Let's try to swap this module. Let's try now. Everything is nice inside, warm. Memory address line failure. So I think we have even a memory issue. Okay. Okay, let's try to remove the ROM. The things the memory are not the same, so I think someone add the memory. And it's not working. Haha. That means the other ones is faulty. The laptop is on but no picture. Yeah, that is a memory issue. But not even the same. That memory is faulty. Okay, that's interesting. Let me use my memory. That's DDR3, DDR3. Final DDR2, DDR3. DDR3. I don't even have DDR2 here. Let me try to find some DDR2. Hey, found. Two gig. Let's see. I think someone tried to fix it before. Because those memory are not the same. Not even the same speed. Yeah, it's no error. The amount of system memory has changed. Okay. Everything fine. Yeah. So yeah, it was a memory issue. The second problem. The first was the graphics. Yeah. Now everyone will be happy. The customer will be happy. Nearly the lunch break. Okay. Now let's close this. Let's put this right in the place. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Oh, was on. Sorry. Was on standby. me see if I'm not. It's nothing like customer things. Yeah? But that's how this job comes. No picture, motherboard graphics, things like that. Okay? Good? Good? Yeah? Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. See you later, yeah? Bye.